Welcome back to WealthWalk, your ultimate guide to financial freedom. I'm Alex, and today, we're about to revolutionize the way you think about watching YouTube videos. In this video, I'm going to show you a groundbreaking strategy that can help you earn up to $200 per hour just by watching YouTube videos. Yes, you heard that right, $200 per hour. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme or a complicated business model. It's a simple, straightforward method that anyone can use to start generating income online. But here's the kicker. This opportunity won't last forever. As more people discover this method, the competition will increase, and the earnings potential might decrease. That's why you need to act fast and take advantage of this strategy while it's still hot. So, are you ready to turn your video watching habit into a lucrative side hustle? Great. Let's dive in and discover how you can start making money today. Before we begin, I want to remind you that only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. If you find value in this video, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications. It's completely free, and you can always change your mind later. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when I share new and fresh strategies to make money online, giving you a head start on your journey to financial freedom. Now let's get started on your path to earning money by watching videos. The power of video watching. Let me ask you a question. Do you watch videos every single day? If you're like most people, you probably do. Whether it's catching up on the latest news, learning a new skill, or just enjoying some entertainment, videos have become an integral part of our daily lives. But what if I told you that you could turn this everyday habit into a money-making machine? With the method I'm about to share, you can earn up to $200 per hour just by watching YouTube videos. And the best part, all you need is your laptop, computer, or even just your mobile phone and an internet connection. Let's break down the earning potential. You can earn $20 for one video playlist. That means you could earn $200 for 10 video playlists. And if you're really ambitious, you could earn $400 for 20 video playlists. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. But let me assure you, this method is 100% free to start, and it's available worldwide. So no matter where you are, you can start earning money right away. Stay tuned, because I'll also be sharing some bonus tips to help you earn more money than anyone else using this method. Are you excited? Great, let's dive into the details. The goldmine, finding the right content. The first step in our money-making journey is to find the right content on YouTube. Let's use a simple example to get started. Go to YouTube and search for plank tutorial. You'll see a wide variety of results, and you'll notice that many of these videos have thousands, if not millions of views. These popular videos are our goldmine. We're going to leverage their popularity to start earning money. But how? That's where our secret weapon comes in, a website called adfoc.us. Introducing adfoc.us, your money-making tool. Head over to Google and search for adfoc.us. Click on the first link to reach the homepage. This website is our key to turning YouTube views into cold, hard cash. Adfoc.us allows you to shrink URLs, share them on the internet, and earn money every time someone clicks on your shortened link. Here's how it works. 1. Find a popular YouTube video. 2. Click the share button and copy the link. 3. Paste the link into adfoc.us. 4. Adfoc.us will generate a shortened link. 5. Share this shortened link online. 6. Earn money every time someone clicks on your link. The earning potential is impressive. If someone from the United States clicks on your link, you can earn over $20. Clicks from the United Kingdom can earn you over $10. It's a simple yet effective way to monetize your online presence. Setting up your adfoc.us account. To start earning, you'll need to create a free account on adfoc.us. Here's how. 1. Click the sign up button on the adfoc.us homepage. 2. Fill in your email and create a password. 3. Check the I am not a robot box and agree to the terms and conditions. 4. Click Join Now. Once you're logged in, you'll need to complete your account information to ensure you can get paid. Click on Account Settings and fill in your personal details, including your name, address, and country. Don't forget to enable automatic withdrawals so you can receive your earnings hassle-free via PayPal, maximizing your earnings. Now here's where it gets interesting. The amount you earn per click varies depending on the country of the person clicking your link. For example, a click from the United States can earn you over $20, while a click from Nepal might only earn you $1. But don't worry, I have a strategy to help you maximize your earnings regardless of where your clicks come from. Stay tuned, because I'll reveal this game-changing tip shortly. Creating your money-making links. Now that your account is set up, it's time to start creating those money-making links. Here's what you need to do. 1. Find a popular YouTube video, like our plank tutorial example. 2. Click the share button and copy the link. 3. Go back to adfoc.us and paste the link into the box. 4. Click shrink to generate your shortened money-making link. I recommend repeating this process at least 5 times with different videos. This will give you a variety of links to share and increase your earning potential. The minecart, where to share your links. Now that you have your shortened links, you need to share them where people will click on them. One of the best places to do this is on forums related to the content of your videos. For our plank tutorial example, a great place to share would be forum.bodybuilding.com. This forum is incredibly popular, with many posts receiving over 10,000 views. Here's how to maximize your exposure. 1. Go to forum.bodybuilding.com. 2. Use the country selector to choose the United States. Remember, US clicks earn the most. 3. Find popular threads related to your video content. 4. Create a helpful, informative post that naturally includes your shortened links. Here's a template you can use for your post. Hey everyone, I've been working on improving my plank form, and I found some really helpful videos. Here's what I learned about proper plank technique, then insert some helpful information about planking. After that, write something like, if you want to see these techniques in action, check out these great tutorial videos. Insert your shortened links. At the end of the template, write, I hope these help you as much as they helped me. By providing value and naturally incorporating your links, you increase the chances of people clicking and you earning money. Bonus tip, expanding your reach. To really supercharge your earnings, don't limit yourself to just one forum or type of content. Expand your reach by 1. Finding multiple forums related to your video topics. 2. Creating social media accounts to share your links. 3. Commenting on relevant blog posts and including your links, where appropriate and allowed. 4. Starting a blog of your own to house all your helpful content and links. The more places you share your links, the more potential clicks you'll get, and the more money you can earn. And there you have it, Wealth Walkers. We've explored an exciting opportunity to turn your video watching habit into a profitable venture. Let's recap the key steps. 1. Find popular YouTube videos. 2. Use adfoc.us to create shortened money-making links. 3. Share these links on relevant forums and platforms. 4. Earn money every time someone clicks on your links. Remember, the key to success with this method is consistency and providing value. Don't just spam your links everywhere. Create helpful, engaging content that naturally incorporates your links. This way, you're not just earning money, you're also helping others and building a positive online presence. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to WealthWalk and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more money-making opportunities. Have you tried earning money through link shortening before? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights could help fellow WealthWalkers on their journey to financial freedom. This is Alex from WealthWalk, guiding you step by step towards a wealthier future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Keep walking towards wealth.